بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
ويل للمطففين.
Destruction is for those who weigh short.
الذين إذا اكتالوا على الناس يستوفون.
They are those who, when they acquire from others, take full measurement.
وإذا كالوهم أو وزنوهم يخسرون.
And when they give others by measuring or weighing, they give less.
ألا يظن أولئك أنهم مبعوثون.
Do those people perceive not that they will be raised after death?
ليوم عظيم.
For a day of greatness.
يوم يقوم الناس لرب العالمين.
The day when all the people will stand in the majestic court of the Lord of all the worlds.
كلا إن كتاب الفجار لفي سجين.
Indeed, the record of the disbelievers is in the lowest place, Sijjin.
وما أدراك ما سجين.
And what do you know how despicable Sijjin is?
كتاب مرقوم.
That record is a sealed text.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Destruction is for the beliers on that day.
الذين يكذبون بيوم الدين.
Those who deny the day of justice.
وما يكذب به إلا كل معتد أثيم.
And no one will deny it except every transgressor, sinner.
إذا تتلى عليه آياتنا قال أساطير الأولين.
When our verses are recited to him, he says, these are stories of the people of the past.
كلا بل ران على قلوبهم ما كانوا يكسبون.
Not at all. Rather, their earnings, i.e., their sins, have caused rust upon their hearts.
كلا إنهم عن ربهم يومئذ لمحجوبون.
Yes, certainly, they are indeed deprived of seeing their Lord on that day.
ثم إنهم لصال الجحيم.
Then they will indeed have to enter hell.
ثم يقال هذا الذي كنتم به تكذبون.
It will then be said to them, this is that which you used to belie.
كلا إن كتاب الأبرار لفي عليين.
Yes, certainly, the record of the righteous is in the highest place, Illiyin.
وما أدراك ما عليون.
And what do you know how Illiyin is?
كتاب مرقوم.
That record is a sealed text,
يشهده المقربون.
which the close ones, i.e., the angels, witness.
إن الأبرار لفي نعيم.
Indeed, the righteous are definitely in serenity.
على الأرائك ينظرون.
Reclining on thrones looking at the bounties of paradise.
تعرف في وجوههم نضرة النعيم.
You will recognize the freshness of serenity on their faces.
يسقون من رحيق مختوم.
They will be given pure wine to drink which is kept sealed.
ختامه مسك. وفي ذلك فليتنافس المتنافسون.
Its seal is of musk, and let the desirers long for only this.
ومزاجه من تسنيم.
And its mixture is from the water of tasneem.
عينا يشرب بها المقربون.
Tasneem is a spring from which those who are close to Allah drink.
إن الذين أجرموا كانوا من الذين آمنوا يضحكون.
Indeed, the culprits used to laugh at the believers in this world.
وإذا مروا بهم يتغامزون.
And when the believers used to pass by them, so they, i.e., the disbelievers, would wink at one another in mockery.
وإذا انقلبوا إلى أهلهم انقلبوا فكهين.
And when returning to their homes, they used to return rejoicing.
وإذا رأوهم قالوا إن هؤلاء لضالون.
And when they, i.e., the disbelievers, would see the Muslims, they would say, indeed, they have gone astray.
وما أرسلوا عليهم حافظين.
Whereas they, i.e., the disbelievers, have not at all been sent as guards over them.
فاليوم الذين آمنوا من الكفار يضحكون.
So, today, i.e., the day of resurrection, the believers laugh at the disbelievers.
على الأرائك ينظرون.
Seated on thrones observing the destruction of the disbelievers.
هل ثوب الكفار ما كانوا يفعلون.
Have the disbelievers not been given some recompense on this day for what they used to do?
صدق الله العظيم.